Just a quick update on the new Leads for Review user experience. When I open the app as a producer or host, my initial value will be albums. And I can see here that I have 3 leads for review. I'm going to click on that. And this view right here is the same page or the same link from the weekly email reports. Here we can see the leads with a green checkboxes with a green checkbox as a default value, which means ready. And if you see anyone that you would not want us to contact, just click on the green check mark and it will change to a red cross mark, which indicates do not contact. So after I reviewed every lead, I will click on the submit list button right here. Previously, we need to click on a row and the submit button was right here, but now it's in this initial page. I will click submit list and there's a confirmation message. By clicking the submit button, I confirm that I have reviewed the list and Podtext can now start sending outreach emails. There's also a feedback or optional message to Podtext here. Let's say I mark some as do not contact and I will submit. And after a few seconds, this leads for review notification here will be gone after the sync. Let's just wait for it. And that's the new user experience for leads for review.